Common causes of white smoke from car AC vents. 1. Coolant leak. One of the most common reasons for white smoke is a coolant leak in the heater core. The heater core is part of the vehicle's heating system and is responsible for warming the air that comes into the cabin. If there's a leak in the heater core, coolant can mix with the air, resulting in white smoke. This issue is often accompanied by a sweet smell in the cabin. 2. Blown head gasket. A blown head gasket can allow coolant to enter the combustion chamber, leading to the creation of white smoke. This issue is more critical and can result in engine overheating and other serious problems. Symptoms may include loss of coolant, overheating, and poor engine performance. 3. Refrigerant leak. In some cases, white smoke may be associated with a refrigerant leak in the air conditioning system. If refrigerant comes into contact with the hot components in the system, it can create a vapor that appears as white smoke. This issue may also be accompanied by a chemical odor. 4. Humidity condensation. In humid conditions, it's possible for the cold air from the AC system to cause condensation. This condensation may appear as a light mist or vapor, which could be mistaken for white smoke. This is usually harmless and not a cause for concern. 5. Burning residue. If there is any residue or debris on the heating elements, such as leaves or other contaminants, it may burn when the heater is turned on, producing white smoke. Regular cleaning and maintenance can help prevent this. 6. Faulty AC compressor. A malfunctioning AC compressor or related components could lead to abnormal conditions within the AC system, potentially causing white smoke. Mechanical issues with the compressor or its clutch may require professional attention. If you notice white smoke coming from your car's AC vents, it's advisable to stop using the AC immediately. Continued use may exacerbate the issue and potentially lead to further damage. It is essential to address the problem promptly to prevent additional complications and increased repair costs. Consider having your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose and resolve the specific cause of the white smoke. They can perform a thorough examination of the AC system, check for leaks, and determine the appropriate course of action to restore your AC system to proper working condition.